Hello everyone. Let's start how to install or how to set up the Angular in our window. In for the Angular, we need to install the Node.js. Basically, the Node servers will help us to execute the CLI commands in the environment. So first we need to install the Node server. So this is the Node.js site. Basically, here is the options to install the window installer and Mac OS installer. So as per your machine, you install this one. I have already installed the window installer. You can see here. Uh, this is the version 18.15. I have already installed my machine. So if you are not installed, please install first, and after that we'll come to the next step. After that we'll need to install the Angular CLI. This is the basically the Angular site. I will share this link in the description box, so please visit these links to copy the CLI commands, and also I will share the Node.js site, so you can easily find out and install. If you also go to the Google and type the install Node.js and install the Angular, so this link will find easily. Now come to the install CLI. This is the best CLI command will help us to this is the basically let this command will help us to install the Angular CLI with the updated version. Now right now the Angular supported the version 17. You can see here the Angular version 17 right now. So come to uh, install the CLI command. Now click the open terminal. You can create any separate folder there. For the global level you need to install this Angular CLI. Now paste this one, press on the enter button. You can see here the npm install progress. See here the npm install -g. G means the global level you install the Angular CLI. If you want any specific version, so you can type the after the CLI add the red version. By default it installed this. Now create project ng new, name of the project setup hello. Press enter. It's taking a bit time, so please take patience. See here is asking for us to use the style sheets. So by default I will use the CSS, so you can choose as per your expertise. Now I am going to choose the default one, CSS. This is the basically Angular 17 features see asking to enable, so I will love to press S. Now the installing packages, it's taking a few seconds, so please take patience. I will use the Angular using the Visual Studio Code. So if you are not installed, so you can install the VS Code in your machine. You can type in the Google to install the VS Code. So this will help us to easily. It's taking some time, so please take patience on it. See, package installed successfully. Now open this and the VS Code. Now I type the code space dot command. This command basically open this project on the VS Code. See, here is the Angular 17 code or created the this structure. src app folder also created the default component. Route config and server configuration files are created here. So trust this folder and continue. Now come to the terminal window, create the new terminal. See, name of the project is setup hello. Now click. Now type to the ng-sub command. Press enter. Yes, it's taking few seconds to run this project. See, it's very simple. Only 2 3 points we need to remember. First one, need to install the Node.js. After this, install the Angular CLI in the global level and create a folder and right click on the folder and open the terminal. And now see, here is the hello setup project is running. You can see I have you can see it type the ng version. It's taking few seconds. Please take questions on. See, the Angular CLI 17.2.1 install, Node 18.15. These are the basically install the default, the latest one in this machine. So I hope you learn about how to set up Angular latest version in our machine. So I hope you learn about it. And also if you want anything else regarding the Angular, so please comment in the comment box. I will try to respond to you. I have shared the multiple video links, so you can create the component, you can create the other things that I have in the description box, so you can go visit and try to see. Also in the last I will say, please subscribe my YouTube channel, so it will help us to encourage and create the more video for you. Thank you. Thanks for watching.